Hello everyone, how are you guys? This is EIP, your favorite YouTube analyst, and today I'm going to be discussing a very important topic which is very close to my heart, and that is trading is not for everyone because not everybody can be a trader. Trading requires, very unique set of skills, temperament and dedication, which not everybody can possess. Just because you can watch my videos and you can see that I'm getting most of my move right, and now suddenly you want to just get rich overnight, so that's not gonna cut it, because you are still not meant to be a trader. You will still end up losing because you got no clue. Just because uh, you bottom line, you are average of five people you hang around with. If you're hanging around with losers, if you're hanging around with people who are not uh, savvy when it comes to finances, then you're never going to become a good trader. If you are going to hang around with people who are going to talk about support and resistances and moving averages, then you are never going to become a good trader. To become a good trader, you need to increase your average, hang around with the correct people, because 90 percentage, first of all, it's very difficult to become a trader. Then it is very difficult to become one of the top 10 traders, because only 10% of the people who trade, they make money. Rest of the people, they lose money. So it's very important that you understand this element, this subject that is very close to my heart, because joining my group is not the magic pill that you are seeking. It's not the magic elixir that you are seeking. It will help you by increasing your average, and I will give you my indicators, and I will also tell you the setups which will occur. But if your average is still down, if you have no clue how trading works, if you don't know what is NQ, if you don't know what is ES, if you don't know what is SPY, SPX, then how would you be able to trade? Just because you watch my videos and now you think you will you will become a good trader. How can you become a good trader if you don't know what is the difference between options and futures? So this is not an introductory group. Over here, I expect some sort of at least some people to have some experience in trading. So in any way, even if you don't know experience, you can still become a good trader in my group by spending some time around the people who know trading, and slowly increasing your average, because the methods which everybody trades, they don't work anyway, and those who are in my group, they know by now that they do not work. That's why they are in this group. And uh, anyway, I'm not gonna talk about my group now. I'm gonna tell you about why everybody is not meant to become a trader. So one of the number one thing which I've noticed is they lack emotional discipline, because successful trading demands a high level of emotional discipline, and traders need to remain calm and rational and face market fluctuation. And just because market is going up and down, you are not going to panic and start questioning your analysis. You need to stick to your decision and analysis, and you need to be emotionally stable, because an unstable person who is worried about subscribing 200 euro per month subscription, he can never cut it. I'm sorry to say, because if he can't spend 200 euros, then he cannot also become a good trader also, because he is not meant. He doesn't have the elements which are required to be a good trader, because if he is thinking so much about even a basic subscription, then how can he become a trader? So you are not meant to be a trader if you are going to think like that. And I turn away so many people who want to join my group, but who do not have the basic element in them to become a good trader. So I have to turn them turn them away. The second most important element why not everybody can be a good trader is a risk tolerance. Now, as you guys already know, trading involves significant level of risk. Prices can be unpredictable, and the losses will occur, obviously, because nobody is 100% perfect. And you need to have a risk tolerance. You need to be able to predict. You need to be able to cope up with the losses or stop losses which will occur. So, but not everybody has a risk tolerance. They watch the video and they think, oh, now I'm going to become a millionaire. Now this is a shortcut that I was looking for. So if you do not have a risk tolerance, if you do not have a basic knowledge of ABC of risk management, then you are not going to cut it. You are not meant to be a trader. Now, the third element would be the time commitment. Effective trading requires time and attention, especially in my group, because I am going to give you certain videos and I'm going to give you the indicators, and I will expect you to, remove whatever you learned in the past and, follow the indicators and my setups, which will give you the direction. Because when my indicator will say buy now, you will buy, and when it will say sell, you will sell as per the video instructions that you will, watch and then understand. So you will have to, do some practice on it. You will have to do some back testing on it. Only then you will be able to become a good trader, and only then you will be able to constantly, ride the market trends and other elements which occur in the market. And if you are not going to even watch the videos, and if you are not going to practice with the indicators and then expect to make money, that's not gonna cut it, because you need to put some time in it while practicing uh, whatever you are learning. Because first you need to remove the nonsense which you learned up till now, and then you need to trade according to how algorithms trade, and then that's how you will make money. Now, the fourth element would be financial knowledge. Why most why people cannot be a good trader? Because they don't even have the basic understanding of financial knowledge, financial market, technical analysis, or trading strategies. So, if you don't even know a basic trend line, then how would you expect to be a good trader? I don't trade trend lines. I don't even talk about trend lines in my group. But at least by now you should be know what a trend line is. So I'm not I don't have a course. I'm not teaching anybody over here. And when you join the group, I give you the indicators, I give you the videos. You need to practice it, and of course, in the group, I will share the setups as they will occur. But you need to have a basic understanding of financial knowledge to trade the market. Because if you, like I said, if you don't know what is NQ, then how can you trade Nasdaq with me, right? I'm not here to tell you what NQ is, right? So the next element would be the patience. Now, trading often involves waiting for the right opportunities to buy or sell. Now, there are many people who are impatient individuals who are tempted to make hasty decisions, and which will lead to suboptimal outcomes, which will lead to undesirable outcomes, which will lead to outcomes which are not needed. So you need to be patient. And those who are in my group, they know I've got two indicators: one good news, bad news indicator, which is a reversal indicator through which we got the Friday top. And then once we will get into the trend, we will start trading the EIP river, which is a trend-based indicator. So all of this required patience. Like, when the market was going up on Friday, so if you are looking to short, then you need to show some patience to let the market go to our good news, bad news indicator top, and then only short from there. And if you are looking to trade the trend, then you need to have the patience to let the EIP river take the charge from here, and then start trading the market. So if you lack the patience, and if you all you think about is euro 200 subscription, then you are not going to cut it, because you will fade away, and you are not meant for being a trader. Today I had to turn away three people who wanted to join my group, because I realized that they were not meant to be the trader. They just watched my video which I just posted, and they sent a request. First, but the questions they asked, I had to turn them away, because I knew they were not ready to be a trader. Their mindset was not of a trader. The last element will be the lack of interest. No, the second last. I will discuss the best in the last. The last element will be lack of interest. Some individuals may not have a genuine interest in the financial markets or even trading. they just want to, get into the trading just to make some quick money. So if you are not passionate about trading, if you're not passionate about, financial markets, then you're not going to become a trader. You will not even understand, you will not even understand the passion or the language that we talk about in the group. So you are not meant for being a trader. You just do your job, because not everybody can be a trader. 99% of people, they do normal 9 to 5 jobs. It's totally fine. And the last element will be positive thinking and have a faith in God. Because if you are not a positive thinker and if you not have a faith in God, then you will never become a good trader. Because whatever success that I get or anybody gets, it's because being a positive thinker and and having a faith in God. And if you are a negative thinker, then how can you become a risk taker? And because a negative thinker cannot have a risk tolerance, he is always thinking negatively. Then how can you be a trader? So being a positive mindset, having a positive mindset is very important, and having faith of God is ultra most important thing for being a good trader. And these are the things which I have noticed, because for the last, I think today I turned away 3 people, and last week I turned away, I think, 3 people also, because they were not meant to be the traders. They were just negative energy people who were just new, and they just wanted to make quick buck. So I'm not gonna let negative energy people ruin my group. And my group, I'm it's a privilege to be inside my group, and it's not even about money. I don't need your money. And once you're inside the group, you need to follow and change your mindset how we are trading. So you need to overhaul the overall thinking, and it's totally fine that if you are cannot be a trader. It's totally fine. I totally understand it, and I totally abide by it. Not because God has made everybody different, and it's totally fine. I hope you understand. There are other groups also who are cheaper, and you guys can join those groups, and it's totally fine. Okay, guys, please like my video if you understand my candid conversation with you guys, because often I do not make, you know, uh, conversation with you guys, but this was an important element because I wanted to overhaul your thinking process. You need to have all of these elements. You need to be adaptable. You need to have a risk tolerance. You need to think like a trader. You need to know risk management. You need to understand the market. You need to have a passion about trading in order to be a trader. You cannot, if your sole aim is to just to make money, then you will never be a good trader, because you will always be, chasing after the money, and money never comes to those who chase after money. This is the rule number one. Anyway, guys, like my video and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Sorry to disappoint you guys. I cannot let everybody in. Thank you and bye bye.